Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Jaguar. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jaguar is a great value with less than 44,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, DVD player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, power sunroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, and power windows.